And in the Informante radio studio this morning, we have a very special guest. Today we are talking some exciting stuff. We're talking property, we're talking homes, we're talking houses, all that kind of stuff. All the things you need in order to have a nice, shall I say, your own property, your own home is very important in your life. And we're speaking to nobody but Lizette from the Trustco Property Group. Lizette, in terms of the Trustco Property, I know that there's a very special campaign that Trustco Properties is running. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Okay, Hannes, we're currently running the Win a Plot campaign. The campaign was launched in July, so it's still running. It's for 50 plots. Once 50 plots have been sold and registered at the deeds office, a lucky draw will be done amongst those clients that purchased from those 50 plots.
I go to Trustco Properties, and I'm I have an interest in buying a Trustco property. With that, just in other words, not necessarily a home, just
Yes.
the property. I might want to develop the property a little bit later, maybe in a year or 2 years' time or something like that. But we're now talking in terms of the property itself.
The plot itself.
Okay.
Yeah, the clients can purchase the plot, and they can purchase a plot and plan.
Oh, okay.
But the focus here is on the plot. So once you've purchased the plot, you can still construct on it. Trustco Properties will then pay the plot that was purchased for the client,
Right.
the lucky client.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then once this property registered, in other words, with the deeds office, I can only
Yes.
imagine with the deeds office, then I automatically get entered into the
You
draw.
automatically get into the draw, yes.
Okay.
The 50th plot to register at the deeds office, then we will have a draw.
Lizette, how do our listeners go about, and also our viewers, how do they go about in order to contact you, in order to, purchase a property?
Yeah, well, the first thing that I always tell the viewers is please obtain a pre-approval letter from your bank to see for how much you qualify for, so that you can have an idea what you want to buy.
Sure.
Yeah. So once they have that, they have the idea, they can call me on 0811 428785, or they can send me an email at lizettes@tgh.na. They will request for an availability list as well as the site layout, because they have to go out to select their own plots. We cannot select a plot for a client, they have to do it themselves. Yeah. So once they have a plot, they can call me just to find out whether it's still available. If it's available, they can reserve it with a 5,000 deposit, and also submit their payslips, the IDs, marriage certificate if they're married, ANC agreement, in order for us to seal the deal.
Okay, so there's all the information, all the documents that you would need when you do get into touch with Lizette at our Trustco Property Group. Just give us that telephone number and the email address again, please.
That's 0811 428785 or lizettes@tgh.na.
Well, there we have it, all the information from Lizette, our COO at the Trustco Property Group. Lizette, nice talking to you.
Thank you, Hannes. Same here.
This is Informante Radio, the sound for a new age.